भारत दर्शन पार्क। फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अनायास वर्ल्ड। आज हम आए हुए हैं भारत दर्शन पार्क पंजाबी बाग। हम लोग इसको करते हैं, घूमते हैं भारत दर्शन पार्क। यहाँ मिलेगा आपको अरुणाचल प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, राजस्थान, कर्नाटक, दिल्ली, बिहार, तमिलनाडु। ये देखिए, आप पीछे देख सकते हैं, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। हवा महल राजस्थान, गोल गुम्बज कर्नाटक, रामेश्वरम तमिलनाडु। ओके, सी टोटल 21 हैं, आप देख सकते हैं। चलिए एक एक करके घूमते हैं सब। टिकट्स अडल्ट बिटवीन 12 and 60, 100। ओके, closed on Monday. Ticket valid for 4 hours only. So this is the rate of the tickets. हमने यहाँ से एंटर किया है, तो एंटर करते ही आपको मिलेगा किंग ऑफ दिस जंगल। गाइज, आपको यहाँ मिलेंगी 3 चीज़ें, 3 R's आप देखने को मिलेगा। रीयूज़, रिड्यूस एंड रिसाइकिल। आप देख सकते हैं, सी ये सारा वेस्ट ऑफ दिस चीज़ों से बना हुआ है, वेस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स। सी, और बहुत ही डेकोरेटिव करके इन्होंने इसको यूज़ किया हुआ है। सो दिस इज़ द वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस रीयूज़ एंड रिसाइकिल। सी, दिस इज़ द यू कैन से दिस टायर। सी, सो ब्यूटीफुल, इट्स वेरी नाइस। और इसी के बैक में जो आप देख रहे हैं, पिंक एंड ब्लू, दिस इज़ द टॉयलेट। देयर इज़ पिंक फॉर वेमेंस एंड देयर इज़ मेल, राइट। सो अब हम इधर से अंदर की तरफ चलते हैं, और आप ये देखिए, सी दिस इज़ इट्स बिग टायर, स्मॉल टायर एंड द लुक। सी, वाओ, वेरी नाइस। चलिए यहाँ से आगे बढ़ते हुए देखते हैं। दिस इज़ सेल्फी पॉइंट इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक द पिक सेल्फी। सी, ब्यूटीफुल। नाइट व्यू भी मैं आप लोगों को अच्छे से दिखाने वाली हूँ कि नाइट व्यू में ये कैसा लगता है। ये है सबसे पहले गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया। आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ लगे हुए हैं बोर्ड, गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया। दिस इज़ गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया। सो ये है इसका जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट से बनाया हुआ है, गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया। दिस इज़ गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया। सी, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। When dog is here. यहाँ गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया क्रॉस करने के बाद हम लोग सीधे आगे बढ़ते हैं। This is the gateway of India. Here's the boards: Hawa Mahal, Gol Gumbaz, Qutub Minar, Nalanda Monument and Meenakshi Temple. Banyan tree. Oh, it's a look of banyan tree. Okay, see, yeah, this is banyan tree, you can see. And here's the fountains. From this side, this is the look of like giraffe. See, fine, these both. See, these both are right, beautiful. Now next there is this is Hawa Mahal, guys. See, this is Hawa Mahal, and you see this Hawa Mahal from Jaipur. See, if you want to check this, so what material used, dimension and process, so you can see nuts and bolts, cycle parts, angles and iron rods, shocker springs and engine parts to make this Hawa Mahal. And this is the structure of Hawa Mahal. I recycle things and it's looking so beautiful, you can see. So after this Hawa Mahal, we are going to next. This is Gol Gumbaj, you can see this. This is material used here is piston, truck camel, gear, cycle, paddles and tarazu. You can see this Gol Gumbaz right here. This is Gol Gumbaz. There's also a selfie points, or you can say you can take the group photographs here. After this is a rest area again here, and that this is Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar, see here. This is Qutub Minar, and here is what they use: gas cutting sheets, electric pole, angles, gears, pipes and iron mesh. See, here's the process. How this, see, this is Qutub Minar, Delhi. Rest area here. This is a very beautiful sitting point. Again there is rest area. Here is rest area. This is Qutub Minar. This is Nalanda University, Bihar. You can see. It's a very big stairs here. So about the Nalanda is this material used is iron casting, gas cutting sheets, angles, iron rod angles, pipes, mostly this. See, Nalanda. Nice. So let's go to other structure of this. See, there is a place to click the photographs, sitting areas. This is a beautiful doll having wheels here. You can see. Wow, it's so nice. See. Oh wow, this is the look. See. Nice. So again, sitting area here is very beautiful. And this is what Meenakshi temple. You can see this Meenakshi temple here. This is the view of this Meenakshi temple. You can sit here and take the photograph, right? So this is Badrinath temple, Dwarkadhish temple, Deep Stambh, Rameshwaram temple and Jagannath Puri temple, right? So here's the sitting area. You can see again. So today is the weekday, so it's not so crowded. Now next one here is Badrinath temple. You see, this is Badrinath temple here. Lightings are on. You can see with blue lights. This is Badrinath temple. And again the materials used: pipes, engine parts, angle, cycle hub, nuts and bolts. See, again 3R. It's a beautiful structure of this temple. And this is Dwarkadhish temple. This is the full view of this Dwarkadhish temple. You can see this here. This is Badrinath temple. And here is Dwarkadhish temple. You can see the metals use dimension and everything, process. So beautiful. After the Badrinath, there is Dwarkadhish. This is where I am here is the Bharat Darshan Park. You can see this Bharat Darshan Park, right? Follow the 3R process here. And very beautiful structures. This is Rameshwaram temple. This is Rameshwar temple. If you see this is the beautiful view with clouds. You can see. So Rameshwar temple, here is dimension, material used, and this process you can see, check here, right? So next again there is a sitting area here. And this is what next here is Jagannath Puri. You can see the Jagannath Puri. It's also a very beautiful structure of the use of 3 Rs here. See, check this. So beautiful, and the dimension, metals used and process are here. You can check. स्वच्छ भारत एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर, दिल्ली नगर निगम. See, it's a peacock. Sirpur temple. See, this is the Sirpur temple. You see here. It's like this. Here's the temple, Sirpur temple. See. So what next after this Sirpur temple? Here is work in progress. You can see the persons who are working here. So this is Masroor temple rock cut. You can see there is a Sirpur temple, and here is Masroor temple rock cut. This is Masroor temple rock cut. See, maintenance is undergoing here. This is Deoghar temple. Its lighting is on. Here is around, what time here is, let me, 6:56, 7 PM near to. See. Wow. See, Deoghar temple. Lightings. So beautiful. Nice. And here is Basilica of Bom. See this, and you can see very good example of this 3R used. Here is structure of this Basilica of Bom, and here is a giraffe, and with this Zoe. Now next we have to cover Mahabhat Mahal, Sanchi Stoop, Victoria Memorial, Hampi, and there is also a baby feeding room, right? So this is Mahabhat Maqbara, right? See, here's the full look of this Maqbara, Mahabhat Maqbara. It's looking very beautiful with lighting. At night you have to visit here. This Bharat Darshan. Oh, this is something here. So Mahabhat Maqbara. Here's the dimension, material used, and the process here. See. Wow. Here's the location. Here's the view. Is looking very beautiful. Here's the resting area. See, with lightings. Lightings make the structure more attractive. So if you visit after 5 or 6 here, so this is totally very good for you. This is the peacock. You can see it's the use of this iron and all this waste products. It's a very good example of 3Rs here. So beautiful. So here's the sitting area again. See, it's a selfie point. This, you can take the selfies here. And this is Padmanabh Swami temple. sorry, Padmanabh Swami Temple, right? It's very difficult for me to pronounce here, sorry for this. So this, after lighting, here's the look. Nice. Here's the Martan Temple here. This is the Martan Temple. You can see this view at night, looking very beautiful. Uses of 3 hours. Some very beautiful. See. And here's the all I have. Take the view of this. See. Here is also a resting area. You can sit here. This is the way. This is Sanchi Stup, I guess. Without check this. Oh, nice. See, this is Sanchi Stup. Right, here is the dimension, metal used in process. And this is the beautiful view. And the evening after 7 you have to come and check this. So I take one round here with Sanchi Stup. It's looking so beautiful. Structure of the Sanchi Stup here. See. These are all with 3 hours recycle. So I request you to must visit this park, Bharat Darshan Park, with your families. You definitely enjoy here. So nice. Here's the sitting area. If you can sit here and take the photos. Click your photos with your family, with your friends and everybody. So here's the Sanchi Stup. So next is here's baby feeding room there. And there is one more thing. Let me see. This is sitting area again. Okay, this is, got it. So here's the monument of this Ajanta and Ellora. You can see this Ajanta and Ellora, right? So here's dimension, metal used in process, and this is Ajanta Ellora. This is also made of this iron cast, this with this lightings. So here we cover the all Ajanta and Ellora, you can see, right? See, Ajanta and Ellora caves. Ajanta and Ellora caves. So in this way we have to, this is Bharat Darshan Park, YOLO. Here is the train ride and the prices here, boat ride, bouncy and car ride. You can see the prices, and here is the area for this, for kids basically. You can see all things here. This is the bouncy swing boat ride and the toy train, not a toy train, it's a train. It's just like this, a trampoline look. See, my goodness, this is radio type. This is sitting arrangement with a gadi, with whether you can see this car. Use of this scooter, you have the table chair. So tire, we have make this. So nice. See, looking very beautiful. So this is what I tell you. Give me a sec. See, this is the view of this, you see, with lightings. And I tell you, what is this? I don't know, basically. So this is the Konark Mandir, sun god Surya, Konark Sun Temple. This dimension, materials used and process of this. It's the structure of this Konark Temple. With this lighting, there is the beautiful view. And so after this Konark Temple, there is also a sitting area this side. You can see. See what they make here. Wow, this is something dance or what? I don't know. This is sitting area. This is the selfie point with butterfly. This is Mizo dance. Okay. So here's the Mizo dance, and here is Linga Lipakshi Temple. This is Linga Lipakshi Temple here. Okay. This is the Linga Lipakshi Temple. So you can take the photos here also. So what is this, guys? You guys, this is Char Minar. You see 4 minars here, right? So where is the board here? I don't see, but you have to check this, right? I have to check the board. Where is the board? So we enter from the center. Wow. See, this is the upside of this. I'm here inside the Char Minar. You can see. Zoo! Boom! Yeah, this is Char Minar, and the dimension, materials used in the process here. Very good structure of this Char Minar. The use of the 3 R's technique here, and looking very beautiful. See. So we have covered this Char Minar, Konark Temple, Ajanta Ellora, Khajuraho Temple, right? And what else? Next. This is the way. After this cover, there's a sitting areas here. You can see this. And here is the Mysore Palace. See, this is Mysore Palace. Here's the dog sleeping. What happened? This is Mysore Palace. You know what? Lightings here. Oh, so nice. They're dancing, sleeping. Everything in Mysore Palace. Wow. See this. This is the Mysore Palace. Dog is sleeping here, resting. And the Mysore Palace. Here's the dimension, material use and process. You can see these boards. So what next? Here is the sitting area, and you take the photographs here, group photos and everything. It's a beautiful view and background. So what else next? After this Mysore Palace, here's mostly, you see this. This is like an adventure park. You can, tree bridge, right? This is tree bridge, like this. Oh, there's also a dog. Here's the dog area. Oh, woo! What is going on here? So you can see this tree bridge. So after tree bridge, ooh, this is the Taj Mahal, Agra, right? Here's the sitting areas. Here's the Taj Mahal. Here's the fountain, which is not working right now. and this is very dirty, I think so. No, I guess, I don't know. So this is Taj Mahal, Agra. Beautiful, and the structure of Taj Mahal is looking very beautiful. They made, and the Taj Mahal's dimension, materials used in the process, you can check with this. Nice. So after the Taj Mahal, this is what the thick say, I don't know, here's the right, the thick say monastery, the thick say monastery. See, it's very hard to look this. You can see the thick say monastery here. Lighting is not on till, so you have to take this view from the side. Beautiful. Here's the tower, here's the way. So after this monastery, see chirping of the birds, you can feel the surrounding nature here. This is the photo, to take the group photo, and photo with beautiful background. So what we saw there is Taj Mahal and Mysore Palace. Here is again a sitting area, Jallianwala Bagh. So see, this is here a Jallianwala Bagh. This is the full view of this. Everybody knows about this Jallianwala Bagh here, and this light is still not on. So after this Jallianwala Bagh, we have to cover the what is this? I have to check, go forward and check the board first, then I'll tell you. So this is what? This is Rangghar, I guess. Rangghar. This is Rangghar. See, this is Rangghar. And what else? Here is Unakoti Caves. Unakoti Caves. This is Unakoti Caves. See, Unakoti Caves here. And this is Kangala Fort. Kangala Fort is here. Unakoti Caves and ruins of Kachari. This is the ruins of Kachari. You see, this light is still not on. I have to check this light on this Jallianwala Bagh and this Rangghar. So we cover again. This is the view after lighting here. So you can visit after 7 or 6:30. So you can see this Rangghar. Now it's looking very beautiful. Now, so again I have to look this Jallianwala Bagh with lighting, how it looks. See, now it's very clear. You can see and looking nice. Jallianwala Bagh, right? So this is Rangghar, that is Jallianwala Bagh. See. What is this? I forgot. Sorry. So this is what? Okay, this is Victoria Palace. Okay, this is Victoria Palace and the dimension metal used in process. See, Victoria Palace is here. Before the Mysore Palace and is the Victoria Palace, right? And here is, see, is a Hampi Rat. See, so dimension, metal use and process. Very good example of this three are here. Looking beautiful. Structure of this Hampi Rat. Wow. I take this full. See, this is Hampi Rat. Hampi, and here's the wheels of this Rat. Right. So after the Hampi Rat, Victoria Palace, we have to come forward. This is the way. So what else we missed? So guys, the time is 7:18. Not bad. The chirping of the birds and the nature, nice. What is this? This is Nandanvan. Oh, this is also a toilet here. This is gents and this ladies. Ways to wonder. Okay, this is also a waste of wonder from this Nizamuddin Metro Station, Sarai Kale Khan. And that is what they have promoted this Nandanvan Park at Block, Greater Kailashwan, New Delhi. And this is also a waste to wonder, Nizamuddin Metro Station, Sarai Kale Khan. And this is the toilet, it's the ladies and gents, right? And also promote the waste of wonder locations there. Ooh, this is squirrel. Ooh, this is Krishna Arjun Rath. See, Krishna Arjun Rath is the beautiful view from, I guess, here. See, so there is the full view. That is Krishna Arjun Rath. So nice. Very hard working. It's looking beautiful here, this orange, golden. Krishna Arjun Rath. After this, there is the sitting area again to take the group photos and everything. So he's drinking water. Yeah, this is drinking water, working. Why? Now stop. Finally. So it's the facility of drinking water here. Here is the train for kids. They enjoy. So what's next here is the big trees and the location you have to see. The sitting area where the people take the pics. After lighting, this is the place of this Matan temple. So this is the view after lighting. So it's a short view from this is the Padmanabh Swami temple. See this lighting. And it's a selfie point. You have to see the peacock. Mahabbat Maqbara. See, after lighting, this is Deoghar temple. See, Basilisk of Bohm. See, after lighting, here's the look, here's the view. Okay, this is the lion after lighting. You can see here the MCD Bharat Darshan Park. It's a tricolor lighting, says the flag, Indian national flag, orange, white and green. And below here is the King of Jungle. See. Guys, I hope you like this video very much, and please request you to share, subscribe and like this video of Bharat Darshan Park. And see you soon definitely with the new vlogs. So if you are in Delhi, so this is the must visit area of the Bharat Darshan Park, Delhi Nagar Nigam, Punjabi Bagh. Here's the Bharat Darshan Park. You can see here the use of 3 R's, how they reuse, recycle the things. And as you've seen, there's so many monument structures here with this everything. And it's a really very hard work, and really appreciate for this who this done, the workers and everybody, the material used are all waste materials, waste product. They make the beautiful structures of the monument and everything. So just really appreciate and clap and hats off to this. So must visit with your families, and if possible, so come at evening after 6. So you have to look the view with lightings here, and you enjoy so much with your families. There's so much sitting areas. There's a water dispenser. There's a there's a toilets here. There's a baby feeding room, and everything is here. So you cannot face here any problem, but you have to visit here and see the hard work of this used of the 3 hours. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you. As you can see, here is 7:35 p.m. and the work in progress, and the workers are doing her job. It's very good manner. They are doing your hard work. See, it's really appreciate for them. Metro. See. This is Delhi, guys. This is around here 7:53 near to 8 p.m.